Meaning of harvest mouse.
Harvest mouse.
Harvest mouse.
Harvest mouse.
Harvest mouse. A harvest mouse is a small rodent that belongs to the family Muridae, and is native to Europe and Asia. It is one of the smallest rodents found in Europe, and is also known as the field mouse or reaper mouse. Harvest mice are usually nocturnal and are known for their agility in climbing and jumping due to their long tails. They feed on grains, seeds, and insects and have a relatively short lifespan of around 18 months. These adorable little creatures are a sign of a healthy ecosystem since they play an important role in controlling insect populations and serving as prey for larger animals.